Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making my most favorite recipe, South Indian style plantain curry in instant pot, that too in 10 minutes. It's vegan, simple, healthy and very tasty. It goes perfectly well with hot rice, hot ghee and even chapati. This is one bite for you with love. I just can't stop eating this. The taste is next level. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel K Cooks. Hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon because whenever I upload a video, you'll get all my notifications. I also have a Telugu channel where you can watch all these videos in Telugu. That's called K Cooks Telugu. Please subscribe to that as well. And do check out my Instagram, K Cooks Recipes. You'll get some amazing food photos and all the updates regarding my YouTube channel. So first, I've taken some onions. I've taken red onions. And this is one plantain chopped up. This was slightly turning yellow. So it has a mild inherent sweetness to it. So this is perfect for this recipe. Now let's get into the process. So here I have my Instant Pot ready. I put it on saute mode on high. If you don't have an Instant Pot, I suggest you to boil the plantains and onions together in a pressure cooker or a microwave until they're 3/4 cooked. We don't want the pieces to be very mushy. We just want them to be slightly cooked because that will be very easy for you to cook. But if you have an Instant Pot, you can do it on the go in just one pot, like I show you now. So here I'm taking coconut oil. This is virgin coconut oil, non-hydrogenated, and if you have coconut oil, I think it works best for this recipe because it gives that nice South Indian touch. And also this coconut goes excellently well with the plantain that we're going to use. So I've added about 1.5 teaspoons. You can add in more oil if you want to, but I kind of use less oil in my curries. Now once the oil is hot, we will add in our tadka mix. I'm adding some dry chili, break it into half and add it. Some urad dal. And this is some chana dal. I'm also adding some mustard seeds. You can also add in some cumin because these four are traditionally there in the South Indian cuisine. But I recently ran out of cumin. I need to go and buy it. So I'm not adding. Now we need to just saute this until they're golden brown and until the mustard seeds start popping. I love this recipe, especially when my mom makes it because she makes amazingly well plantain curry. Let me just add some onions. I remember having it as a child and this is actually a staple in our house. We have it very often. So you should add the onions when you see the seeds slightly turning golden brown because they also get sauteed when you add the onions. You need not saute the onions until they are golden brown. Just saute them until they are translucent. So now we can add in our plantain pieces. Let me just add in all these. Just make sure you saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes on a high flame and then you can simmer it. So now you can turn on the saute mode to low. Okay. So this is when we add in our tamarind paste. So here I'm taking this homemade tamarind paste. So this one is a ready-made tamarind paste where you can just remove and add. But if you don't have this tamarind paste, you can always add in just the tamarind water. So what you can do is you can soak tamarinds in water for some time and then you can just take the water. So what I've observed with homemade paste is it looks like a lot, but it is not that tangy enough as you get it from the actual tamarind water. Now let's just add in some water. This is a semi-dry curry, semi-wet curry. So we want it to be a little gravy in texture. So let's add some water. So I'm adding some water. So one more thing, why I asked you to boil these plantains and onions before actually making the curry is that whenever you add tamarind, there's a chance that these vegetables might not cook. So just see how much water you need, and also once it boils, the water quantity reduces. So then in the next step, we're going to add some jaggery. So here I have my jaggery powder ready. Let us add in some jaggery powder. Don't make it too sweet. Your plantains will have some sweetness. I'm adding some salt, some turmeric powder, some chili powder. This is dhania and jeera powder mix. So I'm adding a little bit of that and just a little bit of methi powder because we are adding a lot of sourness and sweetness. When you add the methi powder, it balances everything. Now let's just add in some more water before we begin to mix this. Oh my god, it is smelling so good already. And also I forgot to add one main ingredient into this, that is hing. So you add hing once your tadka mixture is sauteed and before you add in onions. But never mind, we can also add it in this step. But if you saute the hing a little bit before you add in the onions, it gives a beautiful taste. So here I have my hing or asafoetida ready. I'm adding a little bit of that. So hing or asafoetida is actually a very common ingredient in my house. We almost use it in all recipes, especially when we're making dals, that is lentils. This looks super yummy, super amazing because we're doing it on Instant Pot. Now you can just cancel, and now we put it on pressure mode. But before that, let me quickly close the lid and put it on pressure, and let us pressure cook on high for about 3 minutes. But if you're not cooking on Instant Pot, you just close the lid and keep the flame on low and just cook it for about 10 minutes until you see that your curry is ready. And that's it. We've added everything that we need and it just needs to cook. So it is ready. I'm very excited to see how this has come. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. So this is the perfect consistency that I was talking about. Semi-dry curry. It is so good. I can't wait to taste it. Let me show you a closer look to the camera. This is how it is. Wow. Just imagine having this with hot rice and hot ghee. My mouth is literally watering. Come, let's taste this. I also have my rice with ghee. Let me quickly taste it with rice. So the key to South Indian eating is with hand. I have my ghee. I have this curry. Let me mix it. This is one bite for you with love. Let me taste it now. Oh my god. The taste is next level. Guys, you must try this recipe. It is awesome. I just can't stop eating this. And
Even the banana, the plantain, has got the entire taste of the gravy because we cooked the banana in this. Let me take another bite. This is superb. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up down below. While I eat, please also do subscribe. You will see some amazing content on my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.